In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a link in Outlook. This simple process can help you make your emails look more professional and organized. Let's get started. First, you'll need to go to Microsoft Outlook. If you haven't opened it yet, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Outlook website. You can do this by typing Outlook into your search bar and clicking on the official Microsoft Outlook link. Once you are at the Outlook homepage, look for the Sign In button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Give it a click and you'll be prompted to enter your sign-in details. Make sure to have your Outlook email and password at the ready. Enter them in the respective fields and sign into your account. If you've enabled two-step verification, don't forget you might need to complete that step as well. Now that you're signed into Outlook, the next thing to do is find the link you want to rename. You might be drafting a new email or replying to an existing one. Navigate to the email draft or message body where the link is located. Once you have your email open, highlight the link you intend to rename by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. With the link highlighted, perform a right click with your mouse or trackpad. This right click action will open a context menu, giving you several options related to the link. From this list, search for and select the option that says Edit Link. A dialog box will appear on your screen. Inside this dialog box, you'll see the current link address along with other link settings. What we're interested in is the display text field, which is the place where you can type the new name for your link. Carefully type out the new name you'd like to assign to your link, ensuring that it's clear and understandable to your email's recipient. Once you've entered the new name for the link, the final step is to click on the OK button. This action will save your changes and apply the new name to your selected link. It's always a good idea to double check and make sure that the link redirects correctly and that the new name accurately represents the destination content. And that's it. You've successfully renamed a link in Outlook. With this knowledge, you can now easily rename links in any of your Outlook emails, making your correspondence look cleaner and more concise. If this video was helpful, be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.